Which vehicle mixes concrete while driving? Which vehicle can travel deep under the ocean? Which equipment lifts a car for repair? Which vehicle carries luggage at airports? Which aircraft sprays crops on farms? Which vehicle is used for racing in deserts? Which ship carries crude oil across the sea? Which vehicle collects household trash? Which aircraft rescues people in mountains? Which vehicle is small and easy for city driving? Which machine moves containers at shipping ports? Which vehicle explores underwater caves? Which motorcycle is built for dirt racing? Which car is used by police officers on patrol? Which truck cleans the streets in cities? Which scooter is used by food delivery drivers? Which vehicle rescues people in snowy mountains? Which boat is used for luxury vacations? Which racing car is used in Formula Championships? Which vehicle has giant wheels for stunt shows? Which truck carries horses safely? Which spacecraft carried astronauts to orbit? Which vehicle lifts heavy boxes in warehouses? Which vehicle repairs airport runways? Which vehicle is popular for road trip camping? Which submarine allows tourists to see underwater? Which off-road vehicle drives on sand dunes? Which truck transports cows and sheep? Which airport vehicle pushes airplanes? Which car races on gravel roads in rally events? Which robot vehicle explores the planet Mars? Which van transports workers to job sites? Which forestry truck loads logs onto trailers? Which submarine is used for ocean research?